All right, last video I had being at the new location had snow on the ground. Well, we're way past snow. We definitely got a little bit of wind, but it is car show season. It is cruising season. It is Riv Classic Car and Sales season. It's 2634 Faithful Avenue. We are open 8 to 4 most days. Showroom is ready. So we're gonna walk in and I'm gonna give you the view. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let's get into Riv Classic Car and Sales. Who does not want to be greeted by a full wall portrait of a 68 Camaro and have the Camaro below it? I've done videos on this car. We have the table signed by Richard Petty. There's all the business cards. The 6-pack Challenger TA. We have the Duster. Rick and Yvonne's offices. The Cuda. The Hot Rods. The Superbird. Again, all these have been on the channel at some point. Then boom, the one that we unveiled at the Dragons Car Show, the 446 pack 4-speed Roadrunner convertible, 1 of 20. So that is able to be viewed at any time. So let's get around. We got the 69 GTX, 70 Satellite, the 69 Roadrunner that was at the Dragons Car Show. The Charger, that was at the car show, I think last year, I think. The Super B, that was there. The Hemi Dart, 700 horsepower, 1968 Hemi. Out of a Super B, I believe. I'm gonna double check the VIN. I think this engine might be for sale. We have a plan for this car, and we'd really like to find the car that the Hemi belongs to so that car can go back to numbers matching. So we're looking forward to doing that. The 66 Coronet big block car, that is officially for sale, hit the market today. So you want to come take a look at that, by all means, get your butt down here. Fairlane, not quite ready, but it's going to be for sale. I think it's a 390, I believe. It's got a 5-speed Tremec in it. Offices are there again. So the parts, we're just starting organizing our used stuff. We have some things. We have some stuff, we have some things. 2010 SRT Challenger, Corvette. So this is one of the trucks in-house here getting worked on. So yeah, we have lots going on. We're just still organizing, but this is Riv Classic Car Sales. 2634 Faithful Avenue. Not open on the weekends though. That's car show season. We gotta be representing at the car shows. I know Rick was at Pike Lake this weekend. And well, there's a car show every weekend, so we're gonna try and make it to what we can, of course. But anyway, thanks for watching. Phone number I will put down here. Rick's is 306-221-9890. And I will put the other phone numbers down on the description of this video. But yeah, come on down to Riv Classic Cars Sales. Can't wait to see y'all. Take care. Bye for now.